In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use Google Antigravity to use literally any browser that you prefer on Google's Antigravity. If you know, Google Antigravity is owned by Google, and by default it is tied to Google Chrome. And when you check on the right hand side, there's a Chrome icon that says open browser, and then when I click it, it's supposed to open Google Chrome. But when you don't have Google Chrome installed, then this causes some problems on your computer. But if you have your own favorite browser, this also makes life easy for you. So how do you force Antigravity to work with your own specified or with your own preferred browser? This is how you do it. So first of all, you go to Agent Manager, go to Settings, and go on Browser. And then when you scroll down to Advanced, we have this here, Chrome binary path. So here basically we need to put in the file path of your preferred browser. So here I've put in my Brave browser. And how do you get the file path of your app? So basically you have to go to Applications. If you're using a Mac, you go on Applications. Let's say you have a file, or when you select your preferred browser, you hold Option key, right click, and then you select copy your app name as path name. Copy your browser as path name. So when you do that, you come in here, paste it, and then you're good to go. If you're using a Windows, you just have to look for the file itself, and then you hit Ctrl-Shift-C, and then you're able to copy the browser as a file path. So I think on Windows, you have to make sure that it's the exe file for this to work properly. So after you've pasted this here and then you save, what happens next is when you come back and click on the browser, it directly opens your preferred browser. Thank you for watching. Bye.